Hello guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add a green screen retro TV frame to your videos on CapCut. So here I already import a video, and to add the green screen TV frame, you can just go to the overlay, add overlay, and then go to the stock videos. And in here, swipe through the category, click on the green screen, and now find the TV frame. So just scroll down. Okay, this one. Now click on add. So adjust the size, the duration to fit with the duration of the clip. Now I'm going to zoom it in like this. Okay, now remove the green screen using the chroma key. Go to cutout, chroma key, and then drag the color picker to the green screen, adjust the intensity and the shadow. Okay, so now it's done. You can always resize the main video to fit the whole video into the frame like this. So now the video will look like this. So that's all from me guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there. And also remember to leave a comment and click on the thanks. Thank you.